How to access a Hertz vehicle incident report file. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For the vehicle incident, it is Hertz policy to promptly repair all vehicles subject to manufacturer's indicators. Unless you purchase the optional waiver products, you will be liable to the loss of damage to the vehicle, which may extend to the full value of the vehicle as well. And you can also find this report form, which is vehicle incident report, add your rental agreement number, license plate number, and start. After that, you will be able to report. You can simply add your report and then submit it. And this is how to access Hertz vehicle incident report form. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.